Hello guys, welcome to Machine Maniac.
In this video, we are going to discuss about Android 12 Beta. Android has always been about personalization and allowing you to select the device, service and experience that's right for you. By providing an open ecosystem that gives you choice, Android has grown to more than 3 billion active devices around the world. Android 12 builds on everything you love about Android and focuses on building a deeply personal phone that adapts to you. Developing an operating system that is secure by default and private by design and making all your devices work better together. So let's discuss the first beta of Android 12 and giving you a look into some of the features that will be available in future releases. You will get a more personal experience. Android 12 includes the biggest design change in the Android's history. They rethought the entire experience from the colors to the shapes, light and motion. The result is that Android 12 is more expressive, dynamic and personal than ever before. Personalization. Starting with Android 12 on Pixel devices, you will be able to completely personalize your phone with a custom color palette and redesign widgets. Using what we call color extraction, you choose your wallpaper and the system automatically determines which color are dominant, which ones are complementary and which ones just look great. It then applies those colors across the entire OS, the notification shade, the lock screen, the volume controls, new widgets and much more. This work is being done in deep collaboration between their software, hardware and material design teams. They are unifying software and hardware ecosystems under a single design language called Material U. Fluid motion and animations. From the moment you pick up an Android device, you will feel how it comes alive with every tap. Swipe and scroll. Your phone quickly responds to your touch with smooth motion and animations. For example, when you dismiss your notifications on the lock screen, your clock will appear large so you know when you are all caught up. They have also simplified interactions and recrafted the entire underlying system to make customer experience more fluid and efficient. Your Android devices are now faster and more responsive with better power efficiency, so you can use your device for longer without a charge. This was achieved by some under the hood improvements, including reducing the CPU time needed for the core system service by up to 22% and reducing the use of big cores by the system server by up to 15%. Redesigned system spaces. Some of the most important spaces on your phone, like your notification shade, quick settings and even the power button, have been purposefully reimagined to help you get things done. The notification shade is intuitive and playful with a crisp at a glance with your app notifications, whatever you are currently listening to or watching, and quick settings that let you control practically the entire operating system with a swipe and tap. The quick settings space doesn't just look and feel different, it's been rebuilt to Google Pay and home controls while still allowing for customization so you can have everything you need most in one easy to access place. To make sure you always have help from Google at your fingertips, you can now long press the power button to invoke Assistant to make a phone call, open apps, ask questions, or read aloud text-heavy articles. Private and secure by design. Android 12 includes new features that gives you more transparency around which apps are accessing your data and more controls so you can make informed choices about how much private information your apps can access. The new privacy dashboard offers a single view into your permissions settings as well as what data is being accessed, how often and by which apps. It also lets you easily revoke app permissions right from the dashboard. They have added a new indicator to the top right of your status bar so you can know when your apps are accessing your microphone or camera. And if you want to remove app access to these sensors for the entire system, they have added two new toggles into quick settings. They are also giving you more controls over how much information you share with apps. With new approximate location permissions, apps can be limited to seeing your approximate location instead of precise one. For example, weather apps don't need your precise location to offer an accurate forecast. Beyond these new privacy features in Android 12, they are also building privacy protection directly into OS. There are more opportunities than ever to use AI to create helpful new features. but these features need to be paired with more powerful privacy. That's why in this release they are introducing Android Private Compute Core. It allows to introduce new technologies that are private by design, allowing us to keep your personal information safe, private, and local to your phone. Private Compute Core enables features like caption now playing and smart reply, allow the audio and language processing happens on device isolated from the network to preserve your privacy. Like the rest of Android, the protections in Private Compute Core are open source and fully inspectable and verifiable by the security community. There are more features coming later this year, and they will continue to push the boundaries and find ways to maintain high standards of privacy, security, and safety. At last, I would like to say that Android 12 is packed with other useful experiences like improved accessibility features for people with impaired vision, scrolling screenshots, conversation widgets that bring your favorite people to the home screen, and ways for all your devices to work better together. Android promises to make third-party app stores easier to use Android 12. You can find many of these features today in Android 12 beta, available on Pixel and other devices. Thank you for watching the video. Please do hit the like button if you like the video, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel.